Getting to the money, everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money.
What up, YouTube and Wise Nation? It's your boy Shannon the Wise. All y'all Wise Nation affiliates, man, welcome back. Welcome back. Man, welcome back. And to all y'all cruising through YouTube, don't have no YouTube home, man. Let y'all come join the Wise Nation. I want to welcome y'all with a Wise Nation salute. You hear me? And today, we're going to get into a little unboxing. You know, I went to Best Buy, got online, checked out the best pair of earbuds, wireless earbuds they had for less than $50. The highest rated. So, with that being said, this is what they are. Boom. Skull Candy Shesh Evos. They was $39. And also, I believe, like, you can get 2 pairs for, it's gonna be about the same, but I think they were $79. I'm not sure. $74. I don't know. It was a blue and a black pair. You can get 2 of them. Anyway, but outside of that, but I mean, these had a 4-star review, 4-star rating. I mean, they're IP55 water resistant, up to 24 hours of total battery. That seemed pretty impressive. I'm just reading the specs on it right now. You know, like, I've had these for a couple weeks. I just never got around to it, man. I've been real busy lately, trying to get y'all some more content on a more frequent basis. I know I still said I'm going to do a gemstone guide review. I haven't ordered nothing yet. So I've been real busy. There's a lot of stuff been going on. Got married, somewhat. But we're going to take you on that journey. If you don't want to follow that, think I'm going to post it. I think I'm going to have a channel, you know, start a family channel. You know, have our whole experience, what we're going through, all that, through the maturation process of the wedding. But aside from that, let's get back to this. So it say battery up to 5 hours in buds, up to 19 hours in case. Okay. Rapid charge, 10 minutes, 2 hours. Hey, that's awesome. If you can get 10 minutes to 2 hours, hey, cool. I love it. Either bud is solo, so that means, you know, when you're listening to the radio, I mean, to your phone call, you can use either one as a solo. You know, some of them you can only just use the left, you know, but that's some of the lower end ones. Sweat water, yeah, we said about all that. Got call, track, and volume control on the earbuds. Okay. Let's see. True wireless. This is what comes in the pack. True wireless earbuds, charging case, ear gels. You know, the little tips you put on them, small, medium, and large. USB-C charging. Oh, so it's USB-C. So yeah, this thing really do get down with the charging speeds. 2-year warranty, user guide. Say it got a built-in towel. So, works with any Android or Apple compatible device. So, without further ado, yeah, see, I got these for my wife, you know, not for me. I got, you know, the Buds Live, you know what I'm saying? But she done had all kind of stuff in. Just don't last. So I decided to get her something, you know, that was a little more cost efficient. And you know, like, if I need to replace them, hit Best Buy up real quick. Bop in, bop out. So let's open the box. Let's see what's in the box. First up, my little tips. Little USB-C charging cable. This must be the warranty paper. And there's all the instructions on how to use it. You know, do this first. Easy controls. And then here you got your earbuds and the charging case. So let's see. I'm going to even do what the directions said. Remove earbuds from package, place them in charging case. Make sure both earbud LEDs turn red. Let's see how this works. I don't really follow instructions too often. I'm a man. You hear me? So I am the instructions most of the time. So let's see. So you see we got a little juice on the case. 2 little dots, right? So that means the case ain't all the way dead. So let's see. Let's see if it, damn, these holes in here. This is the left earbud I just pulled out. Pop it in. How did shit go? Okay. Red light on the left. As you can see, they got these shits buried in here, so I gotta like pop it out. You know, like when you go into the McDonald's or something, you get a drink, you know, the lid on the cup got the little push tabs on it. Okay, bam. Both of them lighting up red. Okay. So now, remove buds from charging case. This will automatically put them in pairing mode. Let's see. Got my phone right here. So take them both. So let's see if we can find them. There they go right there. Shesh Evo. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's them right here. Bam. Pairing. Okay, pair with them. See them pairing. I only see one of them blinking. Trying to see what it do. They say they paired. Okay. I think I just heard it say connected. I did. My phone just showed up, see? Shesh Evo. So now let's see how these things. Okay. They fit pretty solid. Okay, let's play some music. Y'all ain't gonna hear what I'm playing, but you know, I'll give y'all an update on what it sounds like. Okay, let me try these. Hold on, man. I got a call coming in. Let me see if I can work this. Hello? Nah, what's up? What's going on? Huh? Oh. Alright. Alright. Okay, so as we seen, that worked fine. Now let's see how do we turn the volume up and down. Right earbud, press it twice, the volume up. Okay. Okay, I got it turned all the way up. You heard me? And press this one for the volume to go down. Okay, so you can pause it with either one of them. All right, cool. We good. We good. All right. So now, they got an EQ mode on here. Let's see how this. Let's see what this do. I don't see it. And it's supposed to have an active assistant. Oh, I just okay. It opened up Bixby on here for the assistant. Okay. So if you got Siri, whatever, Google Assistant is gonna come up. I'm trying to get the EQ, but I don't see it coming up. But I mean, they sound okay. You know, the call quality was all right. I ain't checked the distance on them. You know, I ain't really doing all that. Just doing a quick unboxing and quick review. Let y'all see what it sounds like. And I'll tell y'all what it sounds like. You know, because it's the highest rated under $50 at Best Buy. $39.99. I mean, I have to check the battery life out on them to see how they work. I'm probably gonna buy me a pair myself, you know, because, like I said, these for my wife, and I'll see, you know, where to go from there, and I'll give y'all a full in-depth review. But so far so good. $49. I can waste $49. Well, $39 on a bunch of other stuff. So less than $50. Hey, especially if you get 2 hours for 10-minute charging. It's a no-brainer. But y'all know what it is, man. Hit y'all with that wise age salute. If y'all like the video, y'all want to see some more reviews, man. If y'all want some stuff reviewed, man, put it in the comment section. You know, I mean, depending on the price, just let me know. I mean, if it's something that's not too expensive, I mean, and if it's something that's fairly expensive that I can use, I might use it. You know, if it's something like $200-300 or something that's cool that I might be able to use, fine. But it just depends on y'all. Just put something in the comments for me. Put something on my radar, because you know, like jewelry ain't cheap, electronics ain't cheap. Like I say, I'm gonna get some stuff, you know, car auto stuff. Like I was gonna do a car audio, but I went out of town. I got two of the American Bass Hog 12 foam 12s, and my tie iron went through one of the woofers, so messed up what I was supposed to do with that. But I'm gonna get another one, and then we're gonna do some of the reviews on that. But y'all know what it is, man. Y'all like that, man. Y'all bang, bang, bang that like button, man. If y'all love this video, man, y'all bang that subscribe button. You ain't got no YouTube home. You want to find out what's coming out, what reviews we're gonna have. If you want some review before you go get it, man, let me know. Like, I'm trying to see what I can do. I got some other stuff coming in the mail, you know, just some little stuff just to throw some game up there, man. But you know, man, Shannon the Wise, man, I love y'all, man. Baby, I'm out.